Okay, today I am going to explain Surya Namaskaras. Okay, how to do the Surya Namaskaras. The first position, Pranamam. Pranamam you can do like this, otherwise as you wish. As you wish, otherwise Surya Namaskaram. This is the first position. And then you bend yourself. The second position, you can go back by lifting your hands and going back as you can bend. As you can bend. It is not necessary. Suppose if you are feeling very difficulty, you go slowly. Second position, go slowly as you can bend. Okay? Then, in the third position, you need to come down. You need to come down like this. That moment, ensure that your knees not to be like this. Okay? You need to keep your knees like this and try to touch with your hands the surface of the earth. This is the third position. Okay? Third position. While third position, you need to ensure that your knees not to be folded. Okay, that moment try to touch the earth. Then fourth position, this is the fourth position. This is the fourth position. See, while you are doing the fourth position, you need to try to see upwards of the sky. Upwards of the sky. See, upwards. That moment, with the eyes, you need to see upper top of the skies. Understand? This is the third position. Huh? 1, 2, 3, fourth position. Okay. Next, if you want to change your leg. In the fourth position, you can change your leg and try to see top of the sky. This is the fourth position of Surya Namaskara. And then fifth position, you parallel to the ground. That moment, position not to be like this. Understand? Position properly like this. Okay. Now, once you adjusted yourself, okay, at this position, you need to keep your hands properly and bend yourself parallel to the ground. Next, up. Okay. Next, sit on Vajrasana. Sit on properly Vajrasana. Okay, this is the part of your Surya Namaskaras. And then keep your hands like this and try to touch the earth with your head. That moment, ensure that your hands to be like this. Your hands to be like this, okay? And try to touch your head properly. Next.
Start.
Okay, this is the position. Okay. That moment, as I told you that, you need to stretch your hands. Okay, as you can do. As you can stretch your hand to touch the head on the surface of the earth. Okay. Next. Okay. So like this, first position Surya Namaskaras, and then as you can bend down yourself and touch to earth. Fourth position, change your leg, try to see top of the sky, and then bend, parallel position, take the parallel position, then try to do one bend stretch, face up, okay. This is the position. Then like this. Then after, okay, take this position. Okay. Bend parallel, make yourself, prepare yourself to the parallel to the ground, then take one bend stretch. Okay. Come like this. Okay. Come like this.